Next, we're going to learn about the elevator emergency rescue procedures. Today, we will be discussing the importance of elevator emergency rescue procedures. Elevator emergencies can occur without warning, posing serious risks to passengers. However, by following proper procedures, we can ensure the safety and well-being of those trapped in elevators and manage the situation effectively. Key points. Elevator emergencies, although rare, can happen suddenly. Proper rescue procedures help ensure safety and reduce panic. By following established protocols, we can minimize confusion and ensure quick and safe evacuations. Communication and assistance. Communication during emergencies. Effective communication is essential for a smooth rescue process. Emergency personnel will establish contact with passengers to provide updates and instructions. Passengers should communicate clearly and provide accurate information such as their location and any existing medical conditions. This information helps responders plan a safe and efficient rescue. Safety precautions during elevator rescue. Safety measures. During the rescue operation, it's important for passengers to follow safety precautions. Passengers should avoid standing too close to the elevator doors. It's crucial to follow the instructions provided by emergency responders for safe evacuation. If there are passengers who need assistance, help them stay calm while waiting for professional aid. Slide 5. Technical rescue equipment. Rescue equipment. Emergency responders are equipped with specialized tools to ensure a smooth and safe rescue. These tools include elevator keys, door opening devices, and harnesses for safe extractions. Only trained professionals should handle the technical aspects of opening and securing the elevator. Medical assistance and first aid. Medical support. In some emergencies, medical attention may be required. If anyone needs medical assistance, responders will coordinate with medical teams. Passengers should inform rescue personnel of any injuries or medical conditions they may have. Basic first aid may be administered during the rescue process if necessary. Post-rescue procedures. After the rescue, once everyone is safely rescued, there are important post-rescue steps to follow. Passengers may undergo medical evaluations to check for any health concerns. In some cases, there may be a brief debriefing session to review the incident and gather information. After the rescue, elevator maintenance personnel will inspect the elevator to ensure it is safe before it can be used again. Preventive measures and maintenance. Preventive maintenance. To minimize the risk of elevator emergencies, it is essential to take preventive measures. Regular maintenance and inspections help identify potential issues before they become critical. Building owners and elevator maintenance companies should strictly follow safety regulations and guidelines. Addressing problems promptly can greatly reduce the chances of an emergency situation. In conclusion, while elevator emergencies can be stressful, following the correct emergency rescue procedures and ensuring regular maintenance of elevators can make a significant difference in ensuring safety and preventing future incidents. Thank you.